everyone! Today I am going to draw a picture of a staircase. Let's draw and color together. It is very easy stairs drawing. Have you ever drawn the staircase before? I like trying very much. Drawing is too much fun. Are you drawing with me? I like trying too much. Wow, this is going to be a very beautiful drawing. How many of you like to draw stairs? Let's write some counting on it. Now I am drawing a triangle. Let's add some beautiful colors in it to make it look more magical. Orange color. Blue color. Red color. Blue color. Pink color. Green color. Yellow color. Light green color. Orange color. Light pink color. Wow, it's looking amazing. See you on the next video.